Early Sunday morning, guys. I got my doe yesterday, and of course my camera broke, so we had to borrow my sister-in-law's camera. But it's about 38 degrees, we got frost out. We're doing a little bit of pasture hunting. We changed it up. We're alongside of some woods here in a new hut we built. Kind of give you our view. Sean's trying to get him a deer now. See the cows out in the distance out there. But hopefully Sean will be able to harvest the doe, so stick in there with us, guys. Well, guys, we didn't get one today. It's Sunday, 23rd. Yesterday I did harvest a really nice doe, but of course our camera wasn't working. I had to borrow my sister-in-law's camera. I think we got it on a camera phone, and we'll try to see if we can pull it off the phone so you guys can at least see the shot and the deer running. But I'll bring you back to the house, that way you guys can see the doe I harvest, so hang in there, guys. But we're doing a little different hunting this time. Actually doing a little field hunting. Figured we'd change it up a little bit because the pre-rut's just kind of starting. We've been finding some scrapes, seeing a few signs of some big bucks, but nothing today. I think we spooked them a little bit yesterday too much after we harvested that doe. Ended up being a beautiful day either way, even though we didn't get one for Sean today, but still beautiful out. Kind of give you our scenery. You guys can kind of see where our hut is, right up against the side of the woods here. Worked real good yesterday. Got us a nice doe out of there. Alright guys, I'm going to bring you back to the garage, that way you guys can see the doe I harvest, so hang in there. It looks like Ribeye and T-Bone's hiding over there. You kind of see the pond over there. Alright, Sean, let's go ahead and make sure your crossbow's still dialed in. I'm going to go ahead and get on the target. What are you, about 25 yards? About 20 yards? Oh yeah. Let's go see what you did. Not bad at all. Aiming for the two. Mm-hmm. Let's pull it out, shoot one more time, see what happens. What Sean's using is a Horton Hunter. Let's show him that crossbow. It's a Horton Hunter, which is 150 pounds. Nice bow. Definitely a nice bow. This is when they were still made right here in America. In Ohio, actually, in Talmadge. So let's shoot one more time, see how it does, and then we know we're still dialed in after the hunt, so the next time we're out, we're going to be good. Okay, Sean, let's try it about 25 yards here and see what happens. Take your time, aim small, miss small. putting it in the same pattern here every time. That's the first time this bag's been shot. First one hit here, second one hit here. Doing pretty good though. That's kill zone, man. No problem, kill zone. All right. All right, guys. We did harvest a nice doe yesterday morning, about 8:15 in the morning. All legal and all that. Definitely got the tag on it. Nice hard shot. If you guys want, if you want to step closer a little bit here, Sean. Right here is where the entrance is. And I mean, this thing only ran about 50 yards, and that was it. It was down for the count. I'll let you see the exit. We were up in the stand that I just showed you guys earlier today, and it came out at the angle here. Nice doe though. I'm guessing she's about 2.5, maybe 3 years old. But as you guys can see, I tagged her the whole 9 yards. Not bad. Well, Pete from Mine Wiseman, aka Maverick Outdoors. Hopefully I'll be sending you some venison. Thanks for joining us for another video at Whitetail Bushcraft Outfitters. We'll catch you on the next one, guys.